Welcome. In front of me is a Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode and also get rid of a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. So before I get started, I will lock the device just so you can see that I do have a pattern set on my device, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. So number one, we'll need to turn off our phone. So let's hold power key, and I think it's just power key. There we go. So power off. And once the phone turns off, you want to hold power and the volume up at the same time. So I'm gonna do that right now. You will see a Black Shark logo. After like a couple seconds, you can let go of it. If you hold it for too long, it turns off the device or reboots. So hold it for like 2 seconds once you see this logo and then let go. This will in turn take us to recovery mode. So from here, using volume keys, you want to select wipe data, because as you can see, touch doesn't work. Then confirm it with power key. Select wipe all data. Then confirm. And power key, and once more. And this will now reboot the device and continue the process in the background. Now it will take it a minute to like 2 minutes to finish this up, and once it has, we will be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. So as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you want. Now I'll mention one more thing, which is if you perform this kind of reset and the phone was logged into Google account, the device will become FRP locked. Now, to get rid of that, you would basically need to provide either the previously used PIN, pattern, password, or the previously logged in Google account. Now, assuming you don't know either of those, there is a way to bypass this, which I'll make a video on that separately. So if you're interested in that, you can search for it. Should be somewhere. And yeah. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.